Hello, dear students. Our today's topic is His First Flight. It is written by Sir Leomo Flaherty. Before starting the lesson, I want to discuss the genre of this lesson. Do you know the meaning of genre? Think about it. Genre means style of writing. It is of different types such as romance, poetry, novel, essay, short story, autobiography, etc. The genre of this lesson is short story. A short story has five basic elements. Setting. Setting tells about time and place. Characters, people or animal in the story. Plot means incidents or events which make the story. Conflict means problem. And resolution means solution to the problem. The setting of this story is brink of ledge. Characters in this story are father of the young seagull, mother of the young seagull, two brothers and sister of the young seagull, and young seagull himself. Plot means order and events in which the young seagull learn how to fly. All these events collectively make the plot of the story. Conflict means problem. The problem is young seagull is not ready to take flight. Resolution, finally he takes the step to fly. Note down the meaning of the hard words. Ledge, a narrow shelf-like projection on a cliff or mountain. Desperate, careless of danger. Upbraiding, scolding or rebuking. Cackle, to squawk in shrill, to speak in a loud voice. Shrilly sound. Plateau, a wide, mainly leveled area of land. Introduction to the story. The story, His First Flight, tells us how to overcome fears in life. Every first step in life needs courage and self-confidence. To cover a distance of 100 miles, we need to take that first step. But that first step is the most difficult one to make. When you take that step, when you conquer the fear and venture forth, and then you realize that you were born with wings. And for this purpose, we need courage and self-confidence. At the same time, this story also highlights the role of mother in upbringing the child. When you read the story, you can see how the mother cleverly tricked her child to fly. The main points of this lesson are: young seagull was afraid of flying. This is also the plot of the story. He did not have confidence. He was full of pessimism. Pessimism means negative thoughts. His parents, brothers, and a sister encouraged him to make his first flight, but he could not collect enough courage to fly. He was left alone for 24 hours and he ate nothing. He was extremely hungry. His mother was looking at him. In this lesson, we will study about the young seagull who is afraid to fly. All his younger siblings, despite much shorter wings, flew fearlessly, but he was unable to gather courage to fly. He was afraid of the vastness of sea. Whenever he tried to flap his wings, he felt that his wings would not support him. He would not be able to fly. His father and mother were hovering around him, giving him threats, taunting him. They even called him coward. He was left in isolation by his parents. He was looking sadly at his parents perfecting his brothers and sister in the art of flying. He was looking avariciously at his brother enjoying his first prey. That is herring. Herring is the name of the fish. He felt that he was going to starve. The blazing sun was burning his body, but still he was not able to take any step. He was looking towards his mother. He was feeling that his mother would feed him. This is the end of our today's lesson. We will complete this lesson in our next class.